Welcome to today's review on the Singer Heavy Duty 500 Classic Sewing Machine with Accessory Kit. This machine is an absolute joy for anyone looking to combine durability, functionality, and style in one powerful sewing solution. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this sewing machine at the best price in the market. Right from the first glance, this machine impresses with its vintage-inspired design that looks stunning on any sewing table and adds charm to your crafting space. The metal and plastic build feels premium and solid, providing confidence that this machine can handle years of heavy use. One of the most remarkable features is the stronger motor, which delivers 50% more power than standard machines, allowing you to sew through heavy fabrics like denim, canvas, and multiple layers effortlessly. The piercing power is excellent, ensuring even thick seams are stitched neatly without strain or stalling. The 23 built-in stitches cover a wide range of needs, from basic straight stitches to decorative patterns, letting you get creative without purchasing extra attachments. Stitch length and width can be adjusted easily, so you can customize every project according to your fabric and technique requirements. The adjustable needle position is a game changer when working on precision top stitching, inserting zippers, or delicate decorative work, giving professional results with minimal effort. Another huge plus is the full metal frame, which not only makes the machine incredibly durable but also provides stability during high-speed sewing, reducing vibration and helping maintain straight, consistent stitches. The one-step buttonhole feature is fast and accurate, making garment finishing a breeze even for beginners, and the built-in LED light brightens the workspace so you can see every stitch clearly, preventing mistakes and eye strain. For new sewers, the included accessory kit is extensive and thoughtfully designed, including all-purpose foot zipper, foot buttonhole, foot blind hem, foot satin stitch, foot bobbins, spool holders, auxiliary spool pin, screwdriver, brush, seam ripper, needles, and a soft cover, so you can start your projects immediately without needing extra purchases. While the machine is powerful and versatile, it is relatively compact, weighing around 13.7 pounds, making it easy to store or transport, yet heavy enough to stay stable during use. The motor is loud when tackling very thick fabrics, but this is expected given its power and does not affect stitch quality. The machine requires a small learning curve to fully master stitch adjustments and threading for beginners, but the built-in needle threader simplifies threading, making the process faster and less frustrating. Overall, the Singer HD 500 is a perfect combination of vintage aesthetics and modern functionality, offering excellent value for home sewers, hobbyists, and even small business users who need reliability and versatility in one package. Its robust build, strong motor, multiple stitch options, and comprehensive accessory kit make it suitable for a wide range of fabrics and projects, from casual garment making to heavy-duty quilting and home decor. The elegant black and gold design adds a premium touch, making it not just a functional tool but also an attractive centerpiece in your sewing area. If you are looking for a machine that can handle both heavy fabrics and detailed sewing tasks, this machine delivers exceptional performance with professional results. Click the link in the description below to grab the Singer Heavy Duty 500 Classic Sewing Machine with Accessory Kit today and start your sewing projects with confidence, knowing you have a durable, reliable, and stylish machine ready to tackle every project with ease.